You may follow fencing strategy, or you may follow sporadic or a continuous patenting strategy. So, what is the meaning of that? I will explain here. So, single or a multiple patenting, what is the meaning of that? You know that when we are talking about a patent filing, it is a unity of invention is very important. Okay, if it is going little bit heavy for you, you can take a pause, revisit, and then again you can go further. That will be better instead of you reading a video or listening this video without understanding the previous concept. That will be difficult for you to appreciate. So, if you get at any point that okay, I am not understanding that point, just rewind video and then visit it again and then come to the point. Okay. So, single or a multiple patenting, what that it is? Unity of invention is a very important. You know that if unity of invention is not there in a patent, examiner will ask you the query in the FER and you have to